Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the steps involved in building an integrated financial model. In our earlier videos, we have learned about financial model, income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a financial model. It is very simple to build a financial model. First, ensure that you have a good template. When I say template, I mean a well-formatted Excel to build a financial model. You must be aware about the proper layout of a financial model. Just to give you a background on the layout, generally start with how you want to build the financial model. Start with the assumption sheet, then some revenue sheets, cost sheets, working capital, and financing. After these kind of different sheets, you can build an income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And finally, analysis. As you start building a financial model, I suggest that you make a different sheet for each of these sections, and then, as you progress, you tend to develop greater confidence. It is especially important for people from real estate or infrastructure fields with multiple projects to gradually make more number of models in a sheet. Imagine that your company has projects across the globe. You cannot make a separate model or a separate Excel sheet for each of these projects. In such a case, it would be ideal if you could make the entire model in one sheet. However, that is a gradual process. In the beginning, I would suggest you make a separate sheet. So, how do we start? First, we make the assumption sheet by including all the assumptions. In the model, all the data should flow from this sheet. This should be your feeder sheet. Feeder sheet means that all the data should move from this sheet and then go into any other sheet in the model. This is the main input sheet. It is also called the input sheet or the feeder sheet. Once you make this sheet, you add up all the assumptions, and then from there, you complete the revenue sheets and all the cost sheets. Once this is done, complete the CapEx and fixed asset schedule, followed by the completion of the financing sheet. Finally, complete the working capital and other schedules, which are very important. Technically, if you follow these steps, you will be able to complete 90 to 99% of the modelling work, which is there in the end of this work. When building a model, always focus on how to build the revenue sheet, cost sheet, CapEx and financing, working capital, and other sheets. In other sheets, it could be tax sheet, which is to be built. Once you are done with this, all the calculations will be complete. From this sheet, where you had done all the calculations, only linking is required for the remaining tasks. After that, the profit and loss, P&L statement, income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow could be linked to this and checked for accuracy. There are two important things that should be checked in a model. First, check if the balance sheet is matching. If the balance sheet is matching, the model is technically correct. Another thing to look out for in the model is that there are no errors. These are the steps. Let us get into the model and understand more on how to build a model. Thanks for your attention. In case you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to send us an email. Have a nice day, guys, and see you soon.